Just put the kids to bed and it's time to have my nighttime routine, a peace and quiet moment to myself, and we'll do it with Vitamasques products tonight. Let's cleanse that face. I'll put a couple of those drops of oil to clean the face after a busy day. That feels so much better, nice and clean now, ready for Vitamin C Serum. This is very cool because you have to activate it. I want to get rid of those dark spots, and this is gonna give me a luminous look, get rid of those dark spots, and have a fresh and bright skin. We're gonna activate the Vitamin C Serum. Very easy. Open this up. Now we're going to use barrier repair serum. And finally, to conclude the evening, this beautiful moisturizing cream. Oh, so nice and soft and hydrating. Ready to go to bed.